Hey babes, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back with more food. And today we're starting off with lunch that I was definitely not going to film, which is why you have no footage other than me plating it. But these are the vegetable pot stickers from Trader Joe's. Every now and then I get a craving for them. And then usually I'll create like a dipping sauce of coconut aminos and sesame oil with some chili flakes. Or in this case, literally just toss all of that in the bowl because I can't be bothered. And speaking of cravings, also hadn't had a BLT in a minute, so that was next. Same way you've seen me make this before, so nothing new. I'm just using heirloom tomatoes. And my sourdough was not cooperating this day, so didn't look the best, but still tasted delicious. Nope, I lied. Also, the mayo. I am still on the hunt for a replacement because my previous favorite decided to, change the recipe as they do and completely ruined it. I don't know, but if you guys have any recommendations, please put them down below. But I've been going through it at the market. I feel like I've tried everything, so at this point, I might just have to make my own. And again, something that is not new to you is the Romesco pasta that I made in a previous episode. And we're just gonna pretend that this is actually the portion of garlic bread that I ate, but trust and believe I ate that whole roll. In fact, I actually snacked on it while I was waiting for my pasta to finish. And that is unfortunately it for today's video. I know it was pretty short. But like I said, I don't film every single thing that I eat, so you just get remnants of the days that I am able to pick up the camera. But I felt like you guys deserved something, and this was all that I had to give. So I hope this was enough to at least hold you over, because I actually have quite a bit filmed that I'm just still editing. I just needed a bit of a break. I even went on vacation, and I also filmed what I ate there. Tell me, where is it that you think that I went?